No treatment can stop hair loss.
My hair will not grow again the same.
Once you start losing hair, it never grows back.
Hair loss only affects your appearance.
You can't do anything about hair loss. It's impossible to regrow hair.
Welcome to our myth-busting episode on hair loss. Today, we'll debunk some common misconceptions and provide you with the facts. Myth number 1. Only older people experience hair loss. In reality, hair loss can affect individuals of all ages. Young adults often experience hair loss due to various reasons. Recognizing that hair loss isn't age-specific is crucial for seeking appropriate treatments early on. Myth number 2. Wearing hats causes hair loss. This is false. Wearing hats does not impact hair growth or contribute to hair loss. Hair loss is usually related to genetic factors, scalp conditions, or overall health, rather than external factors like wearing hats. Myth number 3. Hair loss is always permanent. While some types of hair loss can be permanent, there are many effective treatments available today. From advanced laser therapy to hair transplants, various options can help restore hair and improve its health. At Advanced Hair Studio, we have successfully helped many clients regain their confidence with our state-of-the-art treatments. Don't believe the myths. Stay informed with facts and take control of your hair health with Advanced Hair Studio. Our experts are here to guide you through the best solutions for your hair loss concerns.